All right, so I'm working on a project where I need some LED candles and I need them to be hardwired. And my initial thought was to take some candles and some battery operated candles and just, tie into the terminals and make it battery operated. Problem was, like with this candle, which I really like, first of all, can't use it because it's my wife's and she would kill me. But second of all, this is just way too big for my application. I need smaller candles. So I went ahead and ordered some smaller candles, and they are the right size. They're great. Could do a little bit smaller, but I like these. Problem is, when you go to the battery terminals, they're way up in there. And I'm sure I could find some sort of way to get all the way up in there without destroying the whole thing, but it wouldn't be easy, and I just don't really want to mess with it. So I did have kind of two options. One was to get some of these, which are really cool. You take these and plug them in. The battery, this is just a dummy battery. It just helps complete the circuit. And then you plug this guy in, pop that in up there, plug the two wires in wherever they are, and boom, bada bing, bada boom, it works. I've tested it, it works. I'm not gonna do it in this video, but it works. Problem is, these guys are like the cheapest I could find them, maybe $6-7 a piece. And I'm really trying to do a more inexpensive option because these, I think I got a huge pack. I needed 4 different heights, and I got a huge pack. Maybe $4 a candle, $3-4 a candle when it's all said and done. Then you add $6. This is $10 a candle. I'd really like to do cheaper than that. So I decided to come up with my own solution, which was to buy a pack of these, which are 30 pieces, pre-wired LED. They're yellow and they're flickering light, 9 to 12 volts. And they're, I want to say $10 for 30. So that makes these, what, 30 cents a piece, whatever, or 10 cents a piece, whatever. Cheap, not expensive at all. Then I went in and found a 3D model of a candle. This one already existed, but what I did was I kept tinkering and making a hole here, and then another hole at the top that's a slightly smaller, so that the light will poke through but not go all the way through. Put some hot glue on it. I 3D printed this flame separately and just glued it on and hooked it to an end like this. So now, boom. Light up LED candle with the flickering light effect. Now, what's cool about this is, well, first of all, I'm going to show off something. I found this guy. Let me unplug this. I found this guy. It's a 5 to 12 volt inverter for USB to AC port, and you just hook it up to a power bank. Now, I originally got this for microphone applications. I saw someone use this on microphone receivers to power them mobily, and because they don't draw much power, I thought that was great. But then I was tinkering around with this, and if you tinker with electronics, particularly 12 volt, particularly escape room things, to not have to go to a wall or whatever to test stuff is great. So anyways, but yeah, that's it. So wire goes up in there, connect your terminals. In this case, this will go to a relay, which then will power this on, but got this in 4 different sizes and the little flame piece. So yeah, that's it. Thought that was pretty cool. Wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoy.